Han Academy Kids Reading and Math Learning Games. So play, learn, and grow, perfect for kids 2 and 8. So there was like Khan Academy like a while ago, this very popular app. There's also now, but this is specifically for kids when you wanna discover snowy stories, sing along with festive songs, and explore new activities that build early math and reading skills. Make screen time more meaningful with Khan Academy Kids, the award-winning educational app for kids ages 2 to 8, play-based reading, math, and more, awards and recognition. So, and then you can see a library of storybooks and videos from preschool to second grade, safe, trust, and always free. Learn anywhere, at home, at school, even offline. So, pretty cool app for your kids where, yeah, just if you want your kids to become better at school and so on, this is really amazing app, also available on iPad. So, highly recommended.